Hey, good afternoon. Mike Ehrlich from beautiful Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I want to show you this 2004 405 Cruisers motor yacht. This yacht makes a perfect liveaboard, massive space, air-conditioned bridge deck, good windows, great visibility whenever you're inside the boat. Big swim platform back here. Storage box as well as other storage. Eyes and glasses all in good condition, and that is an air-conditioned bridge. There's a cable master there. So we just stepped into the air-conditioned cockpit deck, which is elevated for great visibility. Custom teak table here, which will reduce in size for people to pass by. Big entertainment center here with a sink. Storage underneath, spots for bottles and trash cans. All the upholstery up here is in nice condition, no rips or tears. Fully functioning helm with twin flip-up thigh-rise seats, radar, GPS, autopilot. You have a bow thruster on this boat, nice icon VHF, electronic Volvo controls. Let's slide down in. One of the cool features on these cruisers, you do have a screen door for those of you who are going to use the boat up north. This cruiser has a massive salon. I'm sitting at the dinette, which will seat 4 comfortably. Over the port side, we have an L-shaped couch. There are twin recliners on the couch. All new curtains in this boat. Matching soft goods are awesome. The carpets here are for your cockpit. They're brand new and in good condition. The galley here, starboard aft, 2-burner stovetop, large stainless steel sink, storage outboard for flatware, windows everywhere. Upright refrigerator freezer, stainless steel microwave, and a new television. Let's go forward to the guest cabins. The guest stateroom is forward and has private access to a head. Nice large walk-around bed, drawer storage underneath the bed. Another flat panel TV in here as well. Reading lamps, opening port lights. The head is a split version. To one side I have the big fiberglass shower stall. This is a very clean boat. I'm very impressed with this boat. The other side will give me the vacuum flush head. Now we'll walk back to the master stateroom, which is just huge. Of course, the true mark of this boat is its full beam master. Awesome bed, beautiful soft goods in here, windows, tons of cabinets, storage everywhere you look. Even in this stateroom, we have a washer dryer here. Your head is over here with a fully enclosed stall shower, vacuum flush head, good medicine chest. This boat makes a perfect liveaboard, and more storage at the front of the stateroom as well as a TV. Thank you for watching this tour of this 405 Cruisers Express. Call Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax for more information.